have a crystal ball. I have my favorite shoes on. Swear you can see it all. Like when I was too stressed out. Feelings in the bag. At the grocery store we're shopping at. That helps us from staying sad. Jealous trace from our past. Try not to cry through the depression. Maybe it's life, maybe it's nothing. Dreaming at night, at least it's something good. Temporarily, try not to cry through the depression. Maybe it's life, maybe it's nothing. Dreaming at night, at least it's something good. Temporarily.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Krisha. I look different. Yeah, I got a haircut yesterday. I got some layers and some like bangs. I showed them like a reference picture. I think it's called wolf haircut. I don't know, maybe not. And they trimmed my hair. I love it so much. I needed the chains. I look kind of different, so yeah, it's all good. My cat is the hi. Anyways, I went for a haircut yesterday. Also, we went for breakfast, but I didn't really film that much yesterday, so I'm all free today, so I'm gonna vlog. So I just got ready. I did my makeup and all that stuff. So first thing I need to do is take some pictures, and after that we're going on a beach. I haven't been to the beach wearing bikini and all that stuff, so I'm gonna do that today. I'm gonna try taking pictures here and maybe also outside, and we're gonna go to Kmart or Target to get some beach towel and some like snacks, and we're gonna go to the beach. Yeah, that's the plan for today. Maybe we'll go for dinner at night, I don't know, but I'll keep you guys updated and I'll keep vlogging. So yeah, enjoy the vlog. Why are you staying here? Hi. Ooh. Say hi. Mommy and son. You don't wanna? Okay, fine. Bye. Oh my god, he hates when I touch his head. Whenever my boyfriend touch him, he just shakes because he does not like it at all. Hi guys, I just changed my outfit. I also did my nails. Shout out to Glowy. I love their nails. So yeah, now we're going to the beach. Let's go to the beach each. So I'm carrying this bag, my pink furry bag. So cute. It's all pink. I'm wearing the sleepers because why not? I love this bag. This is my beach bag, you guys. We are here at Kmart looking for our stuff. This one is cute too. And it's fine because like all it's so funny. Cool. I think blue is nice. You don't like this?
Yeah, I
like it. You don't like it? No, we can see for other. Actually, I don't know. Swami. Oh my god, rich people's house.
Cristiano din ba sa'yo?
That's so it's snack time. It's the next day. I just got freshened up. It's like 7 p.m. right now. Just got called off from work today, so I have nothing to do. I was just chilling at bed, watching TikTok the whole day. So now me and my boyfriend, we're going out. It's just been raining whole day, like literally whole day. So we're just gonna go out just to chill and get a drink. Maybe we're also gonna do bowling. Yeah, I didn't want to do any makeup or anything, so I just got some moisturizer on. Also, like, I have big pimple going on here. I don't think you can see, but it's like coming out. So yeah, I'm just wearing this puffer jacket, black top, carrying this bag, and wearing some jeans.
I hit a new low and stumbled on gold.
Everything on the
I want
station.
it right now for taking it slow. Never held me down, you did, then it's so unlucky for
My
you.
sausage.
I won't let it go. Bitch, you fought with a petty king. I don't do forgiving for a lot of things, yeah. Fuck me over, I'm gon' do that shit right back to you. My new bitch named Karma, and we coming back for you. And I got vengeance on my brain, yeah. I've been plotting on it ever since that day. I'm gon' make you feel this pain. Fuck that hoe, she not my bae. Stack my money, new bitch on me. If you want smoke, like bitch, okay. Pull up in a big body, I'ma hop out with a 10 on me. I got brand new Getty range on me. 45 might put some wings on them. I wouldn't fall, wouldn't bend for you. Should've went ghost, but I sent for you. I got a message like 10-fold. Now you want toast, but we been foes. I hit a new low and stumbled on gold. I want it right now for taking it slow. Never held me down, you did, then it's so unlucky for you. I won't let it go.
Oh my god. You don't always have to pay when we come for grocery. तिमी अहिलेसम्म मलाई एउटा नै जिताइदिएछ हैन एउटा नि That's very cute. Get one for Poo. Hi guys, it's Friday today. My cat is meow meow. Come here. Meow. Actually woke up an hour ago and I was trying to edit my video, the whole video, but I just got to know that I don't have the whole like clip. Decided to film half video again, so yeah, that's what I did. I just did my hair and makeup like quickly and just started filming it because from tomorrow I have to focus on my uni and I have to read. I have so many assignments due. Oh my god. Just try to take a break from like studying for a week. I didn't study at all. Didn't touch my assignment. I didn't do anything. I was just trying to enjoy life. It didn't went as planned. It was like you guys only see the good part. Like obviously it's on me. Like, I can show you the bad part as well, but I don't want to film, you know, like when I'm having bad times and like me crying. Like, who wants to see that? But just letting you guys know that whatever I show you, like on this video, like me enjoying, like me going on the beach or me partying, like all of that, it's like just a good side of my life. So many people saying like, oh my god, your life seems so fun, like you're going there, you're doing this, you're doing that, but no one sees the worst part. Me having second thoughts on doing something, me having mental breakdown, me having, you know, like bad days, like not just a day, like days and days. Last week was tough. I was so sick. Yeah, that's my rant. Every vlog has its own rant. My cat is sleeping. For today, I have work. I have work in a few hours. I'm just gonna wipe my makeup off because I don't want to go work with makeup. But I have to carry all my makeup at work because I have to get ready for a party. We have like a work party going on today, so everyone will be there. I don't want to come home and get ready and go again, so I'm gonna carry my clothes and like my makeup, everything, and just get ready there. I don't know how, but I'll just try to figure it out and just like go and enjoy. I don't think I'll be able to vlog, but I'll try to vlog. Hi.
Hi, wait, what?
Oh, you're so mean.
Hi. Spaghetti pasta. I love pasta.
Hi, Jack loves pasta.
Love it.
This is our view. Nothing. Oh, it's raining again.
With a petty king, I don't do forgiving.
Why does mine
for a
look
lot
so
of
boring?
things. Fuck me over, I'ma
You know how to
do this shit right back to you. My new bitch named Karma, and we coming back for you.
No!